dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. G is for goldfish. Goldfish. H is for hog. Hog. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam. Jam. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pillow. Pillow. Q is for quilt. Quilt. R is for rain. Rain. S is for snowman. Snowman. T is for train. Train.